Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is a macro made by my mentor friend Eskimo, and I'll show you how to find this. It's a free macro for quickly exporting stuff. Let's say you want to just export the text. Well, if you will select it only, and you can change the size of it, but we're going to export, and we're going to call it export. I can't type and look at the same time. Export 1. So we just did the text. Now let's select all this and have it just selected and export it as a JPEG. And we're going to call it export 2. This is an easy way to save pictures to send to your customers. You've got a lot on the board and you want to just have them look at this and not this. You can take that off and it'll export the whole page. But let's go now and we'll right click our mouse and go to import, and we'll go to export 1. Now remember, I think we just did the text. So there's just the text. We're going to right click, import, export 2. And remember, we did the text with the circles. So now we exported it with the circles. So this is a really cool way if you want a customer to look at something in some detail. It's a free macro. He draws, he loves to make them. I've just started playing with it, and you change the document, the resolution. I don't understand the compression yet, but there's his post if you want to pause that. But the easiest way to find it is just go to his YouTube channel. Just type in Eskimo Corel and it'll come up, and there it is right there. And at the bottom of the screen, let's just play it. He always has a link right here to that. It's a zip file. It's got a couple of videos. He doesn't do voiceover. I haven't even read this, but you can export it as a JPEG or a PNG, select it only. You know, I didn't even read this. It was so easy, I just started playing with it. And then there's the macro right there that you have to unzip, but that should help you a lot if you do if you send pictures or stuff to customers. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.